Big day at Pinewood today. It's the red carpet event for Actors Studios' 1 year course. All the boys have got their tuxedos in today, so there's been a bit of stress in the wardrobe department. I've gone with options. I've got 2 jackets, I've got a couple of shirts, I've got this tie in case I don't want to wear a bow tie.
I've got 1. I can't look for it now.
Yeah, get that over there. Is there a world where this can go under there? Because if this is flush, that's going to look... Well, good evening. Afternoon. Afternoon. It's 3:30. Red carpet's down. It does need a hoover. We have a leaf issue, but the kit is up. It's looking good. It's looking lit. Guys are just getting a bit of the kit into the cinema now. So come with me, come on inside, and let's go see what they've been getting up to. Good evening everyone and welcome to Pinewood Studios. Before we begin, I thought it was only right to acknowledge the history of tonight's venue, so I've prepared just a few words. That's where I'm going to cough. Over, under, push that in.
No, that's good.
Really?
Yeah.
We're ready. Let's do it. Welcome to the Actors Studio red carpet here at Pinewood Studios for the screening of our 1 year short films. Tonight we are screening Call the Bluff and The Cleanse, and the actors are going to walk this very carpet for their first ever premiere.
I think all cast and crew can say they had a lovely time on film. I certainly did.
It was absolutely incredible.
But I really loved the variety. I loved the people. My favourite moment, I don't know, there were so many.
The instructors were amazing. I learned to have more confidence in front of the camera and I felt safe. I highly recommend it to everybody.
It was really lovely and it was heartbreaking to finish because the whole environment in there was extremely full of creative, full of good moments, full of laughs.
The one thing I was looking for that actually includes everything I've been looking for, because first I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to do a course for this and a course for that and a course for that, and it was a whole mess. And then I found this and I was like, wow.
If it wasn't for the Actors Studio, I wouldn't have such opportunities.
What can I say? I think it's the most comprehensive course that I've found for actors wanting to learn screen acting. I've been with these actors for a full year. I've seen them grow. It's the best course you can do if you're looking for something that is part-time and that will go hand in hand with your normal job. Because I know it's kind of hard to take out a lot of time for acting. Then there's no better place than Actors Studio.
Pictures are done, plenty of videos done. It's time to get in the cinema. Everyone take their seats. I probably need a couple more of these, and then I'm going to have a go at doing my opening speech. Anything could come out this mouth. I mean, seriously, don't worry. Those weren't the entire films. What we believe is that actors should spend as much time as they possibly can on set. This is not an industry that relies on theory. This is not an industry that relies on people to sit down, fill out an exam paper. It means absolutely nothing when you get on a real set. So what we've tried to do with this course, as much as possible, is give actors an opportunity to be on real sets throughout the year. So I would like to welcome you to the official screening for Shot to Be Seen for the first preview of Call the Bluff and The Cleanse. Here we go.